What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to unsend an email in Outlook. So all you have to do is go to the Sent Items folder and locate the email you want to recall. Double-click the email to open it in a new window. The recall option does not work from the reading panel. Now, all you have to do is click the Message tab and in the Move group, click Actions. Select Recall this message and in the dialog box, select Delete and Read copies of this message. Delete and read copies and replace with a new message, and you can check Tell me if recall succeeds or fails for each recipient to receive confirmation, then click OK. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.